one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. You've carried this hope deep within for so long, and at times it has begun to feel close. At other times it's felt as if it is simply slipping through your hands. You've tried not to get your hope up too much, and you've guarded your heart because disappointment has a way of setting you back. But the Lord is saying, lift your eyes and look again, look anew. For that which has felt so distant is not far away at all, it is closer than you think. I'm bringing things into a clearer view. I'm bringing you near. I'm drawing you close, for I'm keeping my word to you. Do not be afraid to let hope rise again. Do not be afraid to believe again, to look with the eyes of faith. For I am the Lord who is faithful, the Lord who is true. I'm bringing you from one season to the next. I'm bringing you into a place where you will know that I am the Lord, a place where you will know that I am the one who keeps my word. What has felt so distant is not so far away. Trust in me. Trust that I'm with you. Trust that I am the faithful one. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.